It's another delivery. Transparent boards. This is what the fuse box and the relays will be housed on. Push to start. Some headlights. I'll get wired up in this video. Some rocker switches for the dash. Some wiring components. Wire battery. It's not coming to me right now, but for the fuse box, some rear LEDs for the turn signal. We should have enough here to get a few things done. Everything is gonna be wired up to the Kubota switch, so that's what I'm gonna try to get done today. Try to make a basic wire harness. For the rear lights and the front lights. Yeah. I'm just gonna be following these plans. I'm gonna try to get everything done today. I have enough parts that came in over the past, I want to say, month and a half. Because I'm ordering from China. So here's the detailed checklist, and it's gonna take me a little while. It should take me a little while to get everything done. But we got the steering system, the front suspension, the braking system, wheels and tires, front frame and chassis, some miscellaneous things. Then we have the mid to rear end powertrain, which I'm working on. Swing arm, rear suspension, rear frame and chassis, braking system, the rear wheel and tire, the cockpit and body, the electrical system, which I'm working on, a few other miscellaneous items, and yeah, it's gonna get done, man. Hopefully y'all can be here for it. Man, this is just the tip of the iceberg. When I really can't wait to get started on the computer for the car. It's gonna have its own infotainment system. I'm gonna implement a CAN bus ODB system, so that I can get an accurate reading of everything that's going on with the battery through the BMS system. So that I can know everything that's going on with the controller. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun putting that together and getting that to work. So yeah. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I'm extending pin 86 from the relays. After that, I'm gonna do the other set of relays, and then I'm going to move on to pin 85 of the negative daisy chain. That's an easy connection. After that, I'm going to move on to 87, pin 87, which are these red wires. Now these will be extended to fit onto the DIN rail. These wires will go to directly to the accessory that it's powering. And so I'll have to label each relay and each connection on the DIN rail, so that I know which accessory everything goes to. Once I have all that wired up, I'm gonna figure out where exactly I'm gonna mount these on this board. I'm gonna draw the holes that I need to drill. They'll be drilled. I'll peel this back and put everything together. So yeah, you guys should see a finished product So I'm close to a finished product by the end of this video. So these wires are finished. They're extended. I went ahead and shrunk over the other heat shrink. It was a different type of heat shrink that solders the connections together so that they don't come apart. And then I went ahead and put the heat shrink on top of it. Now I am going to connect these wires to this, which requires me to actually, first of all, I have to find the pins. So these pins have to get connected, crimped to the end of these wires, and then placed inside of this bad boy. There you go. There you have it. So now it's to finish the other side. That's gonna go to the switches. It'll plug in like this. These wires straight to the fuse box. And I know it looks a little messy. You know, we gotta get the wiring harness together, and that's what this is for. Don't worry about it. It's gonna get wrapped up real nice and neat. You know? Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, it's coming together. And there we have it. The end done, completed. From the relay box to the switches. And that's it. That's that. So this side of the harness is done. Out from the fuse box to the switches. Right now, I am connecting the pin 30, which is the power for the accessories, from the fuse box. So it's going from the fuse box to the relay. I just want to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We got a lot of work to do, but it's getting done. So I was able to get the fuse box done. I am going to be mounting everything up on the plexiglass soon. I just need to get some bolts, and I have some other things to take care of today. So yeah, we're gonna come back and get back to this real soon. Hope y'all stay tuned. In the next video, I'm gonna be wiring this bad boy up. My turner signal, my lights, and my horn. It's not this is a Kabuto switch. Yeah. Sorry about that. So this is a Kabuto switch. It's actually made for a tractor. I don't know if you know about the Kabuto tractors, but there's a YouTuber who had used this, and I liked what they did with it. So I'm going to use the Kabuto switch to get all of these components together: the lights, the horns, the rear lights. I got a flasher, LED flasher over there. I'm gonna be building a light strip on the front of the car. Got a bunch of stuff over here. Some switches, all of that is gonna get wired up in the next video in conjunction with the fuse box. And we making strides, man. We getting somewhere. It all started a piece of graph paper. Yeah. Stay tuned, maybe.